How to filter all the cells with italic text in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick that will help you filter out all the italics from your list. Okay, let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. We have names in column A and we have age in column B, and a few of the names are in italics. And if you want to filter out all these names with italics, how can you do that? First, we need to find out all the italics that we have already know. If I press Ctrl F, click on Format, select italic from the font section and click OK, and click on Find all the italic cell is now selected. Now if I press Ctrl A, all the cells that has italic text is now highlighted. Now if I change the font color to yellow and close it, all the cell is now selected and highlighted in yellow. As our title is also yellow, I'm going to change the highlight color to blue. Okay, now it's done. Now click inside your data range and press Ctrl Shift L. That will add filter to your data range. And from the name, if I click on this drop down, you can see we have sort by color, or you can see we have filter by color. You can choose anyone, and I'm going to select this color, and all the cells is now filtered by this color. Okay, and if I press Ctrl Z and we undo, and if I click on this drop down and click on sort by color, and you can see all the cell that has italic text is now at the beginning of our list and the rest of them are at the bottom. So this is the difference between sort and filter. Okay, so if you want, you can select the range and remove the color with no field. Now all your text that are in italics is now filtered out. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.